that day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, it's about 7:34. So shall we start?
Ma'am, I'll
Yes,
just mute everybody so that there is no interruption in recording.
So
I'll mute everybody. Give me a minute. Ma'am, Rajeshri ma'am and Dr. Sangeeta ma'am, please unmute yourself and we can start.
Can I share the screen?
yeah, 1 minute. Please unmute Dr. Vijaya Babre also. So Dr. Katke, welcome to this evening and welcome to everybody else, all those people who have joined. We have been having these sessions from July, and you know everybody has talked about their passion, their interest. So today we are very privileged to have Dr. Rajshri Katke to talk about small things that will make us happy. And you know, Dr. Katke, we never have any formal introductions in this group because we feel that all of us should know each other as colleagues. So I hope you are fine with that. And if you want, we'll request Vijaya to do your introduction.
No. Everybody knows me. So I am really thankful to all of you. And I am attending this wonderful gathering. All my respected regards to all the senior, my colleagues, teachers. There must be some, I have shared some link with 2-3 people also. And I'm very thankful, a very warm, good evening to all of my friends, colleagues, and those who are listening to this. Thank you very much.
Madam, I will interrupt. Dr. Rajeshri Katke, madam, doesn't require any kind of an introduction. Currently, madam is heading the department of OBGY in JJ Group of Hospital. And apart from her professional introduction, I would like to introduce madam personally. She is very fantastic and very approachable HOD ever I have seen. And for any small thing she is always there to help us, and she is having a personal touch with each and every one of us. So madam, we are here eagerly waiting for your talk. So that is why madam, like, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vijaya, for those nice kind words. Can I share my the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much. Yes, slide. Hi, okay, fine, okay. So this is a blissful joy in a small and the simple things. Monisha, why it's happening? 1 minute, just PPT. What has happened? This. Hi. Okay, double tap. So first, my hobby is the reading the books. When I was at a school age, also as a student, also I used to read a lot as a books and novels. Then some of the literature in the Marathi. Also, I was from the Marathi medium school, so I used to read the stories of the Sane Guruji, then poets of the Shanta Shelke and all. Then mythology, I have always been fascinated by the novel of Mahabharata, Mrityunjaya novel, where the role of the Karna, that very much I like that. Then in the international, these writers I have been read very early in life is the Maxim Gorky, the mother, then Tolstoy. And after the later age of the life, I have read about the Shakespeare, the literature. I was always fascinated by the autobiographies of, Charlie Chaplin, Abdul Kalam ji, Albert Einstein. See, most of the scientific personalities, I have read their biographies. Then around when I finished my, MD and the lecturership and all, there I started reading about these spiritual books like Jnaneshwari, I have read from the Marathi, Tukaramachi Gatha. Then the bestsellers books, all these the monk who sold his Ferrari, Alchemist, and all, many of the books are there. But I like one book that we people should read is Deepak Chopra's book, where he has nicely explained the, it is a ageless body and the timeless mind. So that has really fascinated me. And this is about the reading. Then Hindi, I have read about the Premchand and Amrita Pritam. The Rasidi Ticket is I have read 3-4 times, and It was very nice. These things. This is the hobby of mine for the reading. Then comes to the sports. Sports in our family, we used to like to play a chess a lot. My daughters also, they play chess a lot. Even so, chess was the game. Then I appreciate about the cricket's the thing. So I have inaugurated matches for the cricket also. So this was the one nice shot. I have inaugurated one of the thing. And then comes to the photography. In photography, it is the main, I have not learned the photography, nothing is there, but I always being fascinated to go for the photography. So wherever I go, I take the photographs. Most of my friends, colleagues, they know me that I like to catch this. This I took it, this is the Nil guy and this, deer and all. So this is one photography. This is a very wonderful thing where in a one garden, I was taking the photographs of this mother and the baby monkey. At the same time, these 6 monkeys were there somewhere, and they gathered and they looked at me, and I clicked their pic. So this is this thing. This is I took it from the this Nandan Garden, this thing where the sun was very at at the peak, and this tiger was resting, but I found on his face it is a very satisfying thing. So I clicked that. It was far from away, 150 away from that, and feet away from this, and I could able to catch this. This is about the tiger. Then these are the deers. I have learned, I have read in many books in that whenever the sun is there, sun throws the light at its peak on the deer skin, so it reflects the golden sun rays. And in our Mahabharata also, in Ramayana also, they used to say it's like a savarna mrag, manje yacha arth, Sita was fascinated and liked by this thing. So I could able to see the golden light on the ground, and I click this pic through the fence. So this is for the deer one. And this is a white tiger. And this is black tiger. It was a rare species. So this has been catched on my this thing, and I just. मेरा इसके साथ निकालो ना. ये माँ जी. मेरा इसके साथ निकालो. अरे तो मम्मी पापा खेल रहे हैं. मेरा इसके साथ निकालो ना. This is one clip, and just a simple clip. Here also I took the clip of this, this panther through the fence, because it was a big wall, and it was going, so I could able to move his face with the mobile, and I could catch it. Then this is a very nice pic. I took it. This is a turtle, but these turtles, they have kept in a glass jar, which is closed one. And through the glass, I took this picture, but even I was feeling it is too clear through the glass also. And I could able to get this small clip of this. They were moving, and I said, I should get the clip in that. It was so difficult to, because they were moving, and there was a short distance, and I have to stabilize the camera and take this video clip. So this is a small clip, but I would like to share this. One thing I like in this, the small turtle was there, but when the big turtle is gone, so he has jumped, not pressed down. So this is the clip in that. This I took very far from this thing away. This is from the Virappan jungle, where they, were doing a safaris, and that elephant came to drink the water in that. This is, I like the posture of the lion. Whenever we see lion is like this, but here the lion is in a calm state. So I clicked it through my mobile. This is about the crocodiles, where this white is their area. What has happened? She was moving, and the tail was moving, and the water has become turbulent, and it has make a whiteness. So you don't, this is the water actually. But basically it looks like, it's a white thing there. So I clicked that picture. This is one of my favorite pictures where I was going, in the car, and there I spotted this peacock, and the color was so beautiful. But the driver told me, you cannot stop the car here, madam. You don't go down. But I opened the door and clicked this picture, and it was really beautiful. This was the one peacock where I think it is being hided the thing, but this I captured there. This is a memorable picture of that clicked me. These are the parrots. Can you imagine this? When I took charge of the HOD, I was sitting there. This was one afternoon when I took a lunch and all, because that window is on the 4th floor, and you can see directly to the you can feel also the air is coming from the chowpatty in that. And on the one tree there were 6 parrots were there. Then another 3 parrots were there. So while taking the lunch this is from a JJ Gynec department window where I took these pictures of the parrot. So this is and it has come very nicely also. Then this is the scenic photography. I always like to have, I always feel like, I'm very fascinated of the, shades of the, this thing, sky, their colors. Then I always like to catch up into the, the sky colors, then come to the hills, then come to the trees. If it is a water is there, then come to the land. So landscapes, I always pick up from this. This is all from my collection. These are the crust. This picture I have taken from the above. I was standing on the hill, and the picture has been taken from very down area. So these are the classical things. This is the lake of Chilika. This is, I am standing far from the beginning, start of the lake. And this is the other end of this lake is there. And I wanted to catch up all these 3 things, the sky, the hill, the trees, this boat, and this lake. So I could able to do that. And this is one of my favorite picture. This is the various different seas, which the clouds is reflecting on that. These are the things. This is one of the, favorite picture of mine, where all of us, we have gone to the Alibag, and there was so much of the, cloud raining, and everything is there, and everybody was happy. So I took the selfie of this. And this is TK, but these are the blue eggs laid at our bedroom window. So this I clicked. This is the photography. This is my favorite. I always being fascinated by the sunrise and the sunset photograph. So this one day in the office, there were so many meetings. It was so hectic. I told the driver we'll go and sit at the Marine Drive, Nariman Point, and there I found it is a very beautiful, sun was setting, and I took the reflections of that. And this is from Mumbai. This is from Mumbai. This I took the picture from the Goa beach, where I wanted to take this setting sun through the branches. So I could able to take that. This is I took it from the middle of the sea of this this thing, Gateway of India. I was half in the sea from the Elephanta Caves, and I could able to take this. So it's a beautiful thing from the Mumbai. These are the sunrises at the Igatpuri. I took it when I was traveling. It was very good. Morning must be around 6:05 a.m. This is the setting sun. This is the super moon. So when I saw in my building a couple of years back, this is a super moon, where I could able to see the bright aura, bright ring, golden, yellow, and the dark ring. And this, I captured the photo of my daughter here. And this is of the Kojagiri Purnima. Every year we celebrate this. This is just for the, just to complete the album. I have taken these photographs, and this is the thing. This photograph is from the Bhima Shankar, where all the rays, they were coming on me. So this was the thing. This is the one thing which have been fascinated to see, is that these are the pictures from the Nalanda excavations, where I found when I saw that those pictures are very black and the browns. But when I took the picture where the students used to sit and the teacher, these are the teacher is to sit here. Yeah, teacher is to take it from the classes and all in the Nalanda. But look at the energy, it is looking so beautiful in the pictures. This is about the Bodh Gaya. I was there for just Patna conferences, and I went there. There was an international this Buddhist festival, but all the religions people they have come and meditated there for the peace of the world. For every religion, every spiritual thoughts, everybody was there. So fortunately, I was not knowing that, but I was there, and I also prayed for the world peace there for 15 minutes on the below the tree where the Lord Buddha got enlightened. So this was a very nice. This is Mumbai port. So these are the some pics in that. This is the selfie with the tea gardens. This is the one picture where I would like to see is that this is the stupa made by the Samrat Ashoka when he has won the battle of the Kalinga, and when he saw the rivers of the blood or the fleshes, and then he became very depressed, and there he decided that I should go to the path on the noble path of the peace, and that is the memorable thing. And this I visited, so I click this this is the same one. I have a very I always like to do the tree plantation and the natural things. I'm more towards that, so I'm very much connected to the earth. I think even Dr. Usha Saraya Madam, Bhaktu and all, they have given one tree to me, Son Chapa, and I planted at this Kam also. This is enjoying the village life. This is the hut where we have there. This is that this thing we grind and all. This is the cow and the baby, this thing. I was a guest at the Jahangir Art Gallery. So I just put it that. Then my third, not hobby, but my interest is that I should get connected with the social and cultural events whenever, and people they know, and they sometimes they do invite me for that. And I like to connect to the people, not with the field only, but those who are in the society also in a different fields. So there are some things. I was there. I was giving a lecture on the women empowerment at the business community fort. Then this is, I always last 13-14 years, every year I go to Lal Bagh Ka Raja. So that is the thing. So then they have done a very good social activity, and there they have called me as to give a speak on the social events. So I went there. Then this is for the Students Welfare Association, where they called me for the prize distribution. But this is the person, I don't know the name of his, but he was completely handicapped, and he has gone all throughout the world, and his name was in the Guinness Book of the World. So he was there also. So I felicitated him also. This is Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Din. I have been always, everybody's mother tongue is the precious, and we have many states, and we have many mother tongue languages, and one national language, and then one global language. So always I have been invited for this Marathi Bhasha Gaurav Din, आणि मला ते खूप चांगलं वाटतं, आणि मी त्याच्यावर खूप चांगले भाषण पण देते. इथे ते पु ल देशपांडे यांच्या स्मृतीत, in the memory of them, it has been given, and I was a speaker for that program. So this is just the same thing. And International Day of the Girl Child is one of my favorite thing. Whenever the programs are there, I go and attend to that. This is at the Raj Bhavan for the high tea and this thing. This is another programs with the cultural activities. This is one of the this was the very wonderful program at NCP Tata Theatre, where the girl is the power. And in that Tata Theatre, there was all the colleges students and the girls were there, and they have asked so many questions, and I answered. This is not on the medical, but basically it is on the girl power and the woman empowerment. So I was very happy. With me, Dolly Thakur was there, then Sunita Rao sang the songs there. Then comes to the naming ceremony of the Ahilya. This is the baby which was found, they have kept in the Churchgate Malgadi, and there were so many ants were there, and this baby has found, and we admitted at Kama hospital. But the thing is that when the baby was, getting well, nobody was knowing what was it, there was no, everybody says to, अरे त्या मुलीला असं झालं, ये लड़की ऐसी वैसे वगैरे. Then I did in the hospital the naming ceremony of her, and I gave a name to her, Ahilya. So that was the one thing which was touching. And this is for the women's, positive attitude. They have called me for the program. So I have been many times on the Garbha and all those things. This is the one I would like to mention it, where I was very, it was very touching and inspiring to me also. Saint Xavier's father has invited me as an inspirational speaker to the people. The 40 colleges students, they were their student representatives. They qualified, and they have kept a session for 2-3 days for the atomic energy scientists for the scientific programs. And with those scientists and their chairman, they have decided to call me for the inspirational speaker. So I just interacted, I just spoke to them, and it was a very nice and very touching. This is for some inspirational talk to the business community, how to go ahead, because in that, this is when the big marathon was there 2 years back. So in the, to motivate them, this program has been kept, and I was there to this thing. This is one of the best thing, though I was a doctor, but I have been invited. This is Madam Chief Judge is there, and with the Chief Justice permission, they have invited me as a on International Women's Day as a speaker and guest of the program. And it was very touching to address all of them. And there were so many people from the judiciary. That was the good thing. This is the very good photo of Sant Tukaram ji. He is a saint of Tukaram, and given so many of the spiritual books and all. But there was one hill, and on that hill, that pahad, now the temple, they are, there is a small temple. Now they are making it a big temple, where he has to daily climb it there to go to the hill top of that. There he is to meditate and is to come down. So this is a very nice. So I took it that these are some programs and all. This is, I always like the Garba. I enjoy the Garba, wherever the Garba of the fort, Baikala, Andheri, and everywhere. Most of the times they call me as a, to distribute the prizes and to give a talk and all. So I always go for those, and I like about these cultural activities. So this is very nice. Myself and Advocate Ujjwal Nikam sir, they have called me for the cultural program as a guest of honor. This is for the women empowerment programs. It's a non-health programs. Vijaya Rahatkar madam, and here was from all the chief of the bank officers. There was a program, so they called me for this. This is for the most of the times, many of them they don't know but I have been doing the program sometimes for the non-addiction, so no tobacco, no drugs in these programs. They do call me as a social participant to speak on that to address the youngsters. So that is there. This is when I was in a school and I was in a college. So I was in a scout. This is my MBBS photo. I could able to get it. This is I used to, before I had a time, and I used to attend this film fair and screen. My uncle was at, he was a ACP, and they used to have all these programs on his ground. That time I was not in a Mumbai or not a faculty, but every time he used to get a VIP passes. So I attended 2-3 Femina India screen and all. After that I said no. So these are some pics. Then my keen interest is in the music. I love music. I like music. I like songs also in that. So basically, this is, I like a classical ghazals. I hope Bipin Pandit sir is there. Dadra, I mean, I hold my, this Bipin Pandit sir is there. And I like even from the, for my age, when I was in a college, I used to say, अरे मुझे साइकिल भी अच्छा लगता है. तो बोलते थे क्या साइकिल अच्छा लगता है तुम्हें? But I used to like, I don't know, but it could be in my genes also to listen those things. I have not tried. I'm like a simple singer, but I don't sing much well in, so this is Sujat Khan's. I always like. There I met Madam Siri Shet Madam. So I kept in that. This is the one thing where, these are the group of the, older people, not a senior citizen type, and younger people. And they have made a group, and every Sunday they go sing and dance and laughter and all, and they are very good. So one day they have invited me to their, this is the park, oldest park of the Mumbai, where, at the Mumbai port, Mazgaon dock, no, not Mazgaon, that Mumbai port, somewhere, where the Ratan Tata's house, in front of that, I don't remember the name of that garden. But there, they have invited me, and they showed their programs. They bring the breakfast and enjoy. It's very nice. And thereafter, they gave me the memento of the Dada Saib Phalke ji. So it was a very nice and very positive people. This is Asha ji was there. She's one of my favorite. Asha ji and Asha Didi, Lata ji, and even Gita Dutt, I used to like. Even I have very much liked some of the songs of the Shamshad Begum also. So this is the spectrum of these songs. I always being fascinated. She is Prabha Atre ji. Prabha Atre ji ka mujhe, I like one song of her, Jagat Janani Bhavani. वो बहुत अच्छा है. So I met her in one of the program. And there it was a very good. So I was very happy to take that. I have taken once. I have not taken anybody's much of the autographs, though I have met them, but I have taken the autograph of Lata Didi. Then I have met Asha Tai also, and this, because classical I always like. That is the base of the life. What they says is the music, the frequencies of the music is that which connects to the frequencies of the universe. What they says is that classical, Bhimsen Joshi and all, they says एकदा तान लग गई तो ऊपर तक चली गई. अगर तुम आप if you sing the song from the soul, that is how this is one of the thing where we can evolve ourselves. So I always like this. Here, Asha, the younger daughter was asking something to Asha Didi, and Asha Didi was replying to her. So this is on the one of the cultural program. Dr. Aditi was there with me. And then comes to the strength, the person's strength are the family. She's my mother. She was a retired headmistress to my daughters, my husband, and this is the strength everywhere in our life. We need pillars of the strength, and I feel that is the best thing. Then mentors. Whenever I get a time, I always I either call to sir. I have gone and met to respected Motasha madam. I have worked with her. I am really fascinated by the way madam's approach was there, and really I was fortunate. So whenever I get a time, I always go and do the things. Meet them. Not very oftenly now I am getting, but I do an effort to go there. This is with Dr. Shiri Shet sir. This is the accidental thing where we met on this thing. I was ahead of sir for this on the airport, and sir was behind. I was not knowing sir was behind. Then I just looked back. Arey, sir was there. I said, sir, you please come forward and all. And there was an hour was left to, you have to wait on the airport. And we had a very nice talk, tea, coffee and all, everything. So these are the very nice things. This is about the same event, but in Bodh Gaya. This is one thing I would like to say. This is the Vietnamese group. And the Vietnamese lamas, they have that day, it was after Nitish Kumar, the CM has gone, they have given a VVIP time for that. So they were bringing some of this, shawl, chadar to to offer the enlightened Buddha statue. I was standing because all VIPs, they are there. So I was standing at the corridor, but I don't know, but somehow that one lama, he pointed me, you also join, because by the signals, they were not knowing English, this other language, but he said like this. So I went with them, And there for 20 minutes, he offered, the Lama has offered the prayers there. I was not knowing the Vietnamese. So if he, whatever he used to say, I have recited there. But that day, there was only 20-30 seconds people were there, used to stay in this inside of that temple. But I was there for 20 minutes. So it is always touching picture. So I could, yeah. This is for the, this is the hall of the technical engineering at Bandra. All the girls, 1,000 girls, their principal, they requested me to talk for the inspiration for the girls talk. So I gave there. This is for the organ donation promotion. This is some Keshari Patu wrestler is there. Here that Sunil Shetty, Honorable Dawar sir, Honorable Director Lane sir, and all, long back pictures and all. She was some actress, I don't know her name. But they are there. So I am always there to, you know, promote for the social causes. Then comes to the, I have been in my life, I have all this reading, music and everything. Apart from that, since last 15 years, I'm doing a meditation. I'm by the Vipassana, and I have learned in the this 10 days course in Igatpuri with SN Goenkaji's this thing. So I have been doing it quietly, means, you know, sometimes I don't get a time and all. But whenever I feel I get a time, I just give some time to introspect, or not to give myself, you know, to live inside. So Vipassana is experiencing reality as it is. So that this is the one of the my favorite pose of this thing. This is on the International Day Yoga program. I was a guest too, and we perform at a Gateway of India 2 years back. Then this is the one of the picture. This is nothing from outside. This is my house window, where you know, JJ, what it has. JJ, if you stay at JJ, you don't feel like you have stayed in the Mumbai. So the bedrooms window, on that all trees are there, you know, it looks like a resort, and from through the trees the sun comes down. So when the sun comes down through my window, because my window has a this also grills also, through that the rays do comes, and many times I always found the you know, all these colors, they are coming all. So I always feel that these are the sun rays with the rainbow effect. So my morning, at least 5 to 10 minutes it goes there. So that is there. This was the rainbow shower on me and my daughter. These are the pictures after my meditation, and this thing on the sunlight, this has been clicked by my daughter, where exactly what I feel in a body, if you have that positivity energy is there, it gives the reflection through the golden or the bright things. So I think that is the thing. So this is the thing. This is on the 26/11. It is one of the a very touching thing in our life. Then proud to be an Indian. I always say wherever I go, I feel ki we are Indians. We can do the best thing in our life. So I always go for the voting responsibility also. And this is one of the things where in my profession also, I got the opportunity to do something for this. And this is, I think, a last slide. So I always believe in that. The darkest night is ignorance, you know. The purpose of our life is sometimes to get, you know, to set a wisdom in us. And how it comes is by, you know, to remove the ignorance. So what is the darkness? Is the darkness, or the darkest night is the ignorance. Then what to do for that? All know the way, but very few actually walk it. As Lord Buddha or many spiritual seekers or many philosophical peoples, they have said that you have to walk your own path of wisdom towards your own enlightenment. So somehow, somewhere in our life, we are supposed to get aware ourselves from within. And I feel the way, the moment we realize we are being, you know, following that, that is the birth of spirituality in us. And I believe that is the ultimate truth of the human life, because everyone, we are like all of us are passengers. Change is the permanent thing. So I feel कि sometime I felt somehow in my life that कि I should give some time to this basically, and this might ignite or evolve the wisdom in ourselves, because at the end of the leaving this planet, we have to do something better for the humanity and for the nature. So I could like to end this with the Abdul Kalam's say, if you can stay positive in a negative situations, you win. And that is what the sporty matters of the life's mantra. That is what I feel. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta, for calling me and giving me an opportunity to present. Actually, I was not aware what I could, what I was, yes. So it was a humble attempt. I was not knowing much of this. Whatever I had, I have prepared very from the bottom of my soul. I can't say it is the bottom of my heart. It is beyond the heart. It was a soul. So I have done it. I hope you like
it. It was wonderful presentation coming straight from your soul, and I'm truly impressed because we did not know that you are such a multifaceted woman. So it was wonderful, excellent presentation, great pictures, and maybe you will share more of your views on the Vipassana by Dr. Goenka. But first, I will ask him, Amit, to unmute everybody so everybody can interact and ask questions and things like that.
Yes.
Ma'am, give me a minute. I'm doing that.
Yeah, please.
Can I show my bowl? Oh, come on. It's melted.
Yeah, please raise your thumb or do the hand this reaction so that we can move one by one to ask questions or make comments. Amit, have you unmuted everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Dr. Tibrewala, please go ahead.
Rajeshri, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, great. That was a great presentation. You're really multi-talented. There's no doubt about it. The pictures that you've taken and the one that your daughter has taken of the sunlight, that is that should be sent for some competition, I feel. That's beautiful.
I don't think they will become doctor or not, but Jarur, they have taken the skill of photography.
That's great. They're taking after the mother, huh?
Yes.
Okay, you must get them each a camera and start training them.
Yes.
Okay, all the best to you. Really enjoyed your presentation.
Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Prathana Utture, please go ahead.
Yeah, Madam Rajeshri, very nice, very appreciable. खूप छान होता, Madam.
चांगला होता ना?
Oh, खूपच talents आहे, really. I hope your children will get all those talents in them too. Great.
I hope so.
Very appreciable, Madam. Thank you
very much, Madam. Thank you.
Dr. Aspi.
I think, Rajeshri, it was a wonderful talk. I think
yes, sir.
Everyone must have observed that it was for 40 minutes and down the nearing about more than 100 slides, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Not even a single slide is shown as far as the OBGY is concerned.
No.
In spite of that,
yes,
the program was made so lively and wonderful that we greatly appreciate your versatility in the all walks of life. You know, in spite of being so busy, your schedule and in the college and with all the responsibility, you have been going around almost whole world, you know, and capturing the various natural things which are around. And you took all of us also for a good journey all around. I must say,
sir.
Wonderful job you have done. Congratulations and keep it up and enjoy. And you have given everybody a sort of I think besides gynec also there is a lot more things one can do.
Yes, 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 sir.
Thank you so
Yes,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, Dr. Katke, why don't you, I have a question. The Vipassana that you practice, which as taught by Dr. Goenka, is it any different from the meditation that is promoted by, say, any of the other people like Sadhguru or Sri Ravi Shankar? What is the difference?
See, in a spirituality, I have been read a lot and experience and all. Even I used to practice those things. See, Buddha has given the scientific way of the teaching, observing the breath. You know, this is called as a mini anapana or the anapana. When you do observe your inhalation and the exhalation, that time you concentrate what is he is in this area of the nose and the triangle of that. This is the basic thing. So the concept is that everybody says, but he is the one spiritual seeker where he has said you should look within yourself. That is one thing. You can liberate yourself. That is the second thing. And third thing is that whatever it may be the path of the wisdom, you are supposed to walk your own path. So that has been appealed. And it is very scientific. Even some Raj Yoga meditation, many they do. So in that also, even they are scientifically proved in that. Even with the monks, and then they have observed that after doing the MRI, EEGs and all, so they have found that some of the scientists, you know, they have found that some of your delta waves, happiness center, and everything, and the neurochemical balance in our body is being documented in that. So we should go with the scientific way, and it has suited me, so I have gone to that, and it has been like that in this thing.
So how long do you do every day?
No, I don't do much of that, but I do definitely when I wake up now. So generally I do, this thing, but now after doing of these practices, sometimes it becomes within you only. Only you have to observe yourself, you know. You have to be very neutral in that equanimous state of the mind. Every spiritual saint has told is that equal. Santa Kabira said, you love. I mean, ढाई अक्षर प्रेम म्हणजे काय means this is the evolved soul. That is what the love is. That what we consider love is a different thing. Then second is that they Sant Jnaneshwara, he has told also that Sthita Prajna. Sthita Prajna means equanimous, non-judgmental, non-reacting, and be in that state of the mind, body, cell, where you are not going to react anything. That is how the practice of meditation, and it comes through the practice, and it is very good. It has at least suited to me, so I do practice in that.
Okay, in the same this they promote a lot of Maun Vrat, correct?
Maun Vrat, they are not promoting. They are saying that you have to do you have to inspect yourself inside. You know, the whole life of ours goes, you know, observing the things. If somebody scolds me, what I do, I react to that situation. What is the anger? Anger is the punishment given to us because of somebody else's mistake. So this is what it happens, where these people, they say you don't react. It's not naturally a Maun Vrata. I'm talking too much to the patients, people and everything. But, you know, keeping a wise talk, what every spiritual seeker says, even Sadhguru says the same thing. I read, and most of the, you know, school of thoughts are different. So we can practice whatever it suits to us.
Great. Excellent. Are there any more questions?
I would like to say, I would to thank you to everyone, and thank you to Dr. Sangeeta also. She's a good friend of mine, and thank you each and everyone for patient listening also. Thank you, I think Dr. Shreya and Aliyah and all, they have helped me in doing this, because I was not knowing what to do and all, but these are the things they gave me the idea for that. And thank you to my daughters also. They have also given some ideas for this. And thank you, Vijaya, too, for the nice introduction and this thing. Thank you, Bhaktu, Aspi sir, and each and everyone. All my prayers, best wishes to all of you. Take care of yourself, and God bless you all.
I really appreciate that you thank your daughter, because you know all of us here at some point take help from the children or the younger lot because they are more techno savvy, but we always take them for granted and forget to thank them. So it's quite nice that you are thanking your daughter repeatedly. Excellent.
Thank you.
Okay, great. So next Wednesday is Dr. Satish Tibrewala.
Yes.
And it will also be our Valentine Day celebration of some sorts.
Wow.
So request everybody to be there again, same Wednesday, 7:30 p.m.
Yes.
Okay, great. See you.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Dr. Kamath, आज अब की बार आपने कुछ बोला नहीं.
Kamath sir, बोलिए. I was watching you. You were listening to. आप कुछ बोलिए sir. I would like to listen from you.
I'm just wallowing in the slides and the presentation and trying to get some tips, and I'm so engrossed. So I'm learning. I'm still in the phase of learning, which everybody should be.
That is greatness of sir.
No. Learning is a continuing process.
Yes.
In any field, and I'm in that field. So great. Thank you, Rajeshri ताई. मजा आली.
Yes, ने मजा आली ना. छान. एक गाणं पण मला म्हणायचं होत. काय एखादं
म्हणून टाका.
म्हणून म्हणजे 2 लाईन. चलते चलते कोण किसी मेरे साथ कोई देखा. कोई विजया सुरू कर.
नहीं, डॉक्टर कामत विल गिव यू कंपनी. नो.
हाँ सर, 2 लाइन बोलेंगे.
नहीं आप गाते रहिएगा, मजा आती है सुनने को. ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
मुझे नहीं
आता. 2 लाईनी कंप्लीट तर करा राजेश्री ताई. या 2 लाईनी कंप्लीट तरी करा गाण्याच्या ओळीच्या.
आता
even I am very besurila, but do you know I can't sing.
ठीक आहे मी एक लाईन म्हणते.
I sang just
मी म्हणते सरांसाठी 2 लाईन म्हणते.
प्लीज गा.
अवघा रंग झाला रंगी रंगला श्री हरी. अवघा रंग एक झाला रंगी रंगला श्री हरी. ईश्वरी आमेनेकर.
फार सुंदर.
So excellent. Dr. Kamath, would you like to give a reply in musical tones?
No, there is what she has tried to tell us is that how much you must love life, and this life is given to us by our God and through our parents, and we should be eternally thankful for that. Yes. There is a very nice Marathi geet in that. Music has no boundaries. So, या जन्मावर या गण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. शतदा प्रेम करावे. हे शतदा प्रेम करावे. या जन्मावर या जगण्यावर शतदा प्रेम करावे. So love life.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
छान राजेश्री.
Fantastic. So Dr. Asha Paranjpe just switched off, but I was saying March. Dr. Pannu and Dr. Asha Paranjpe, you all can get geared up for March now. Okay.
Are madam,
today's program was very nice, very nice.
Are madam was there.
I loved it.
Madam was there.
Yeah, I loved it.
Hello, madam.
I loved it. Dr. Katke, you did a very good job. And the song in the end was the icing on the cake.
Yes, totally agree.
Thank you. Thank you. Just a fun. You should enjoy the each moment and live in the moment. That is the mantra of the life. बरोबर आहे. प्रत्येक क्षण जगत रहा आणि जगत जगत क्षणात आनंदित रहा.
So Dr. Pannu and Dr. Paranjpe, I am expecting a call from you tomorrow morning, and you are going to fix up 3rd March and 10th March. Okay. You have time till tomorrow 8:30 a.m.
Oh God.
ठीक है, I'm going to announce.
मुझे तो हम लोग भी गाने गाएंगे. Even I will try to come from the अच्छा गाने भी गाएंगे. Till that time I will memorize.
Oh God.
Great. Chalo.
Very
Bye.
nice.
Thank you, Dr. Katke, for
Bye
being
bye.
wonderful evening. See you soon.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you again. Bye bye.
God bless you all. Take care. Love you.
Shubharatri, Shabba Khair.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Amit.
Welcome, ma'am. See you
Bye.
soon.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
Bhaktu. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Amit, धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद, sir.
शुभरात्रि.
शुभरात्रि.